Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue the Linux introduction topic, and today we'll be discussing about the terminal basics and commands. So we'll be discussing on the following content. That will be what is Linux terminal, CLI versus GUI, use of terminal, file system hierarchy, and basic command that are we use daily life. So first of all, what is Linux terminal? The terminal in Linux is a text-based interface that allows users to interact with the system by entering commands. It's a powerful tool for the executing commands, managing files, and controlling systems processes. Unlike graphic user interface, the terminal provides direct access to the commands line where user can perform tasks such as installing software, navigating directories, and editing files. It is widely used by the developers and system administration for the automation, scripting, and system management. The terminal enhances productivity through efficient command line operations and offers deep control over the Linux operating systems. It takes input from the users in the form of commands and display output on the screens. So another is we have a CLI versus GUI. I have given a features and I have mentioned what are the difference between it. First of all, operating mode. In CLI, it operates based on the commands user inputs in the terminal. In GUI operates through visual elements like icon, buttons, and windows, etc. Performance. In CLI, it is more efficient and faster than GUI since all the processing powers is directed at completing the required task. The GUI requires a portions of a system's resources to work. Therefore, the performance is required in some systems. Precisions. It provides higher precision functionality and granular controls of the operating systems or applications. In GUI, it has advantage of visually displaying the available function. Ease of use. In CLI, it requires extensive technical knowledge of different commands. So the interface is much more complex and difficult to use than GUI. It is in GUI. It is to use as it doesn't require extensive technical knowledge to operate the system. It is suitable for the beginners. Input device for CLI. It takes input from keyboard. GUI. It takes input from keyboard and mouse. Resource requirement in CLI does not require much memory or processing power as the entire interaction is performed in a terminal. It requires more memory and processing power due to many graphics component and storage. Why to use the terminal? Because of there are a few of the reasons why do we use the terminal. Those are lightweight and fast, powerful and scriptable, useful for the system admin, required for the remote access and main tool available on CLI. Speed and efficiency. Performing tasks via the terminal is often faster than clicking through a mouse. Example, uploading your system with a sudo apt updates and sudo apt update takes seconds comparing to navigating through GUI updates. Greater control and flexibility. You can perform advanced operations that may not be available in the graphical interface, like chaining commands, redirecting output, editing permission, configuring services, and etc. Remote access. Tools like SSH allow you to control remote server and system entirely via terminals, ideal for the system admins and cloud computing. Many tools available only in CLI. System admins, cybersecurity professionals, and developers rely heavily on the CLI. There are some, I have listed the hierarchy of the file system. There is an image of the image also, and I have given a description too. The file system hierarchy in Linux is an organized structure of directories that follow the file system hierarchy standards (FSS). Some of them are /root. It is the top level directory of the Linux file system. /bin Essential binary executables, e.g. ls, cp, mb, those are the commands that we usually used. /boot, contain bootloader files, e.g. grub, kernel, and other file needed to start the file systems. /dev, contain device file representing hardware components. /div, /sta for the hard drives. /home, user directories, e.g. home/ras containing personal files, settings, and data. /root, home directories for the root users. Here are some of the basic commands that we usually used. I have listed only 16 of those. So first of all, pwd, which means a present working directory. It shows the current working directories. cd, change the directory. mkdir, create a new directory. trots, create a new empty file. cat, display content. ls, list file and directories in the current location. cd dash dash, move up on one directory levels. rmdir, delete an empty directories. rm, delete a file. These are the few of the commands that are usually used in the basically use. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will meet you in the third video. Keep on watching.